Welcome back. Today we are evaluating logarithms using the change of base formula and simple calculator. Let's break it down step by step. When you evaluate a logarithm that is not base 10 or base e, your calculator cannot compute it directly. So we use a special case of the change of base formula, like log with base b of m. We can find using natural logarithm. It is ln m divided by ln b. Or log with base b of m we can find using common logarithm, log m divided by log b. So this special case, we rewrite the log using any base our calculator can handle, usually common logarithm or natural logarithm. Back to our example, an logarithm with base 2.4 of 3.5, we can write using natural logarithm. It would be ln 3.5 divided by ln of base, ln of 2.4. Or we can find a logarithm with base 2.4 of 3.5 using common logarithm. It is log of 3.5 divided by log of 2.4. Base 3.5 it is m, at 2.4 it is base b. Now we are going to use calculator. So ln 3.5 divided by ln 2.4 equals, so it is answer, it is logarithm with base 2.4 of 3.5. Or we can apply the second special case. We can use common logarithm. So it would be log of 3.5 divided by log 2.4. You can see we have absolutely the same answer.